Docy features a limitless search banner, giving you complete freedom to customize it your way, all through the powerful Banner Builder. You can edit your search banner either from the WordPress settings panel or directly through the customizer on your desired page. In the customizer, navigate to the header section, then select the Search Banner option to easily customize your banner. The search banner is displayed on all pages by default, but you can choose to enable it for specific pages or disable it wherever needed. You can easily show or hide your search banner title by enabling or disabling it, and customize the title color to match your style. Here, you can display a banner subtitle using the page excerpt. If the subtitle option is enabled, it will appear beneath the main title. You can also change the color of the banner subtitle to perfectly match your website's look. You can enable or disable the search form in the banner area, customize the placeholder color, and even change the search bar color seamlessly to match your design. Docy offers 2 pre-made search banner layouts by default. You can also switch to the Elementor layout from here. In the Elementor layout, you'll find a wide range of ready-made designs. Just choose the one that fits your style and add it to your page with a single click. You can also choose from a selection of pre-designed banner background styles and apply them directly to your site with ease. You can set a solid color or use any image as your banner background. Not only that, you can also adjust the background position, attachment, size, and much more. You can set a banner overlay color and apply a background overlay blur effect. Even use overlay gradient color on image, which enhances your background image with a beautiful look. And yes, you can even customize the blur density to your liking. Here, you can customize your search bar with a placeholder, the text that appears inside the search bar before users begin typing. You can also enable focus search and even trigger it with a slash to using keyboard shortcuts for a smoother user experience. In the Search Keywords section, you can set a keywords label that appears below the search bar. You can also customize the label color and add keywords that are relevant to your visitor's activity, enhancing the search experience. And that's how you can easily customize your search banner with Docy.